Hello friends, today's topic: study candlesticks and make more profits in lesser time. I am Dr. Bharath. The purpose of the video is service to society. In this video, we have shown how two candlestick patterns, one bullish and one bearish, are useful to make profits in the short term. The bullish candlestick pattern is called bullish hammer since it looks like a hammer, and bearish pattern is called bearish hammer. Now about bullish hammer. The characteristics. Number 1. Usually seen at the bottom of the graph or bottom of a downtrend. 2. Usually green in color. 3. However, the color of the candle does not matter as long as it is seen near the bottom of the graph. The following are some examples of bullish hammer in the graph. Number 1, you can see SBI graph, and there is a bullish hammer at the bottom at the downtrend, and after that from 510 SBI went to 544 rupees 34 gain in 3 weeks time. Now going for the second example, Maruti Suzuki, you can see a bullish hammer at the downtrend, and then from 9,100 Maruti Suzuki traveled to 9,736 and plus 636 rupees in 2 weeks. Now the third example, SRF, the bullish hammer appears at the bottom of the chart, and then 2440 to 2534 the SRF traveled plus 94 rupees in 1 full week. Now coming to the bearish hammer, the characteristics. Number 1, usually seen at the top of the graph or top of an uptrend. 2, usually red in color. 3, however, the color of the candle does not matter as long as it is seen near the top of the graph. Now here is an example of SBI. At the time of the example, the graph was showing 560 for SBI. It came down to 505, 55 rupees lost in 2 weeks. And Tata Motors bearish hammer appeared 646, and it came down to 39 rupees minus in 2 weeks time to 607. Third example, Wipro, the bearish hammer appeared at the top of the uptrend, and then minus 19 rupees in 2 weeks time and 413 to 394. When you understand the line graph and make profits, it is like being a general physician giving advice to a patient. However, when you understand candlestick patterns and use them to make profits, you are like a cardiologist observing the ECG of a patient. You will be able to improve the accuracy of your prediction. Having a good understanding of candlestick pattern is very useful for short-term trades in stocks and also in futures and options trade if you have knowledge and risk appetite. For example, in the above example, SBI rallied from rupees 34 from 510 to 544 in 3 weeks after identifying bullish hammer pattern. And buying of SBI stock for short-term investment 1,50,000, approximate profit 10,000, 6.6 in 3 weeks. Buying of SBI futures contracts for short-term because it's a leverage product and you're buying a lot size, and the investment is 1,50,000, approximate profit is 51,000, 34% in 3 weeks time. At the end of the video, here is an important question for all of you to respond. Do you want to learn about candlestick patterns for making short-term trades? Yes or no, you may type. In case we get more than 500 people saying yes, then we will start teaching candlestick patterns on YouTube on a regular basis. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.